So first we have video games, school lunches, and appetizers.
Okay.
We're not gonna do video games.
No.
We could do school lunches. I mean, I take a sack home. I take a sack lunch, but not.
Yeah.
I could do school lunches. Okay, we'll do school lunches. Okay.
Okay.
So what's your
So
favorite?
we're just
So
gonna
you
list four
your
in total?
favorite. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna start off strong with. I feel like everyone's favorite is like Crispitos. So
Really? I don't like the Crispitos.
I don't
really like them.
I don't know, but I feel like a lot of people like them.
No,
So
do you like them? Do you like them?
no.
No, what's your favorite?
Okay, my favorite. Okay. I don't know what my favorite is.
Just choose one.
Because I feel like
Or one of your favorites.
I feel like there's like multiple that are like
Yeah.
okay, but there's not like a really good one.
Well, just
So
choose one of
maybe-
your favorites. Or like, if you heard this for lunch, like, that's your favorite. You're like, oh yeah, that's a good lunch.
There's one where it's like a tortilla and that has like chicken in it.
Like a chicken wrap?
Yeah.
Okay, so that
Okay,
one,
so like a chicken wrap.
Okay.
That'd be my
Yeah.
first pick.
Okay, is it just a chicken or does it have like cheese on it or anything like on there?
I mean, I would assume that it has cheese on it too, but
I don't know. Maybe it's just a chicken.
I don't know. But yeah, and then you can just add whatever you want.
That's
on there,
true.
so-
Yeah.
okay.
Usually those are okay. I
Yeah.
mean, I like the breakfast. Those are always slapping.
Yeah.
So yeah, I like those. No, the pancake ones. Everyone says the pancakes taste like cardboard, but they actually taste good.
think
And the
that-
hash
yeah.
browns taste like the McDonald's hash browns you
I
get.
know,
Yes,
yes.
those are so good.
Mhm.
Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, what's your next favorite?
I don't know. Like
just do one of yours. Like one good one. Just yeah.
probably there's one with like the circle noodles and then it has like meat.
What?
I don't know what it is. It's like cowboy something.
Okay, wait. Circle with the meat.
It's like that long of a noodle and it's like a circle. And it has
Wait,
meat.
what?
I don't know
I've
what
never
it's
seen
called.
that in my life.
Okay, well there is something that's like that. So
That's
that
like
would
it's
be my
just a
next
big noodle.
No. There's multiple
What?
noodles. It's like
Mhm.
it's like a pasta, like
Yeah.
pasta noodle.
Yeah.
But it would be like cooked as like a lasagna.
Oh, so it's like the scooped like pasta thing that's like shaped into a ball. That thing, like the pasta.
Probably.
Okay,
I don't know. It's
That's
like,
gross. That.
Oh. Sorry about that.
Silently judging.
Yeah.
Those are not good.
Okay, well maybe we're thinking of different things.
Maybe you are, because the clump, then you could just scoop it, then mix a ball, and you just plop it on the tray. That's gross.
Okay, yeah. Just the sound of that sounds gross.
Yeah, that
But,
sounds.
like,
Yeah, you're probably thinking of.
I don't know.
I don't know what you're thinking of.
I don't know either.
But another one that slaps is a hamburger. Yes, the hamburger.
The hamburger
yes.
is so bad.
No, because the pickles. Okay, only if they have the
Okay,
pickles.
yeah, the pickles are
Only if they
yeah.
have the pickles. If the pickles are not there, then the hamburger is just so
yeah,
bad.
It's like dry.
It's dry.
Yeah.
But you need to at least have ketchup and pickles, and then that's okay, because
Yeah.
then the pickles, like, kind
and
of
if they have
recoup
that like
for that.
slice of cheese on it.
Okay,
I don't like that.
No, the cheese like melted halfway on there,
Oh,
but then
yeah.
you like
And
slide
then
it off, and
yeah,
then
and
it's
you
like
can't peel it off.
no,
because
because the cheese is like
on
hard
yeah.
too. Like the edges are like
So,
hard, but the
yeah.
middle is like soft, and you're like it's like crunchy even, but it's like soft. And,
It's
oh,
so bad.
I can't even like think about
that.
that.
Sounds awful, actually.
I also like the chicken, like the grilled chicken with the bun. That one's not bad. That one's just like
Yeah.
a normal one. I mean,
I think
Yeah.
for my third pick, I'm gonna
Yeah.
do the like barbecue like rectangle.
oh, like the
thing.
rib
Yeah.
thing. The
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, that would be my third pick.
Yeah.
I don't like it just as a sandwich.
I
I,
feel-
peel it apart
Yes,
and then eat
yeah.
it. I like dip it in ketchup and then
Yes.
eat it.
I
Or,
would
like,
have to have it with
barbecue
like
sauce.
barbecue sauce or like ketchup
Yeah.
or something. It couldn't just be dry because then
No.
I just feel like smacking on it. It'd just be like
Yeah.
not good at all.
I feel like it would like sound like gum.
no, it would sound like gum.
smacking
Yes,
gum.
it would sound like gum. Probably another good one. I say, like, I guess the chicken nuggets are pretty. They're like,
Yeah.
honestly, I think they're kind of mid. If I'm being completely honest, they're kind
Yeah.
of mid. They're too overhyped. I feel like
Mhm.
sometimes. Oh, I also like the biscuits and gravy. That one slaps too.
Yeah.
That one's pretty good, yes. But like whenever they have like the desserts, their desserts are never good for school lunches. I mean, it's usually like the strawberry thing that doesn't taste good. It just tastes like melted like strawberry juice, but with like water, and so that's what it tastes like to me at least. Yeah. Also, I think in someone's milk today at lunch, it was like chunky.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
That actually sounds awful.
Yeah, it does sound awful.
Yeah. For my final pick, I think that I'm gonna do. Yeah. I'm gonna do lasagna.
Really?
It's usually not very good. But last time we had it, I had like a good piece.
Was it a good lasagna?
It was a good one. Like usually,
lasagna is just so bad.
I know it's usually like awful, and I never look forward to it. But then I was eating it, and I was like,
that's okay. That is okay.
Like it was warm, and it was like all put together. It was good.
Yeah. Okay. My fourth pick would probably have to be like just the regular nachos. I feel like that you can never really go wrong with that. I mean, sometimes the meat tastes a little stale. Like, no, the chips taste a little stale, and the meat kind of tastes a little funky. But I mean, it's like it's a good one. Like, I mean, like that one's okay. And
I feel like sometimes the meat is like watery too.
No, the meat is like watery for some reason. It so is. Yes. Oh my gosh. But yeah. Yep.
Let me think. Okay, so what were your 4 picks? Like,
my 4 picks. Oh wait. We're reviewing. It's the breakfast, like the breakfast with pancakes, biscuits and gravy. Breakfast, hamburger, biscuits and gravy, nachos. Those are my 4 picks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mine was the chicken wrap.
Yeah.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Lasagna.
Noodle thing?
And the noodle thing. Yeah,
the noodle thing?
Something. Yeah.
I wonder what that's actually called. Like, now I'm curious. The noodle thing, it's a noodle. Like, is it a pasta or is it like a pastry bake thing?
No, it's a pasta.
Oh, I just crinkled that. Oh, whoops.
Oopsie.
Just a oopsie. No, okay, what do you think about the school cookies that they sell for 25 cents?
Some days, like,
they're so gooey and good today.
Yes.
They were so good.
Yes, I feel like sometimes they like overdo the gooey though, and then it's like
raw.
Weird,
it's too
awkward. Like sometimes cookie dough is really good. Yeah. And sometimes like baked cookies are really good. Yeah. But then like there's an awkward in between that is like.
It's like, girl.
Yeah, that's
no,
like
I swear, people came in with like $5 bills and they like came in with like 20 cookies, or well, more than that probably, but they were like 20 cookies and each like 10. They were like in the middle of the lunch table. Who wants it? I mean, like, so. Yeah, and they were like carrying trays from the back, like for like the cookies and stuff like that. But I say they slap kind of. They kind of do slap. Yeah, for 25 cents, man, you can't really
I wish
that.
That they would just like sell it like every single day. Like they just have one on.
They just have one. I would just buy in the middle of the day. I'd be like, I just kind of want a cookie right now. I'll just go buy
I wish
one.
that they had the thing up like all day long. Like,
oh my gosh, they should do that. Or like just even if it's just like in the morning, like not after lunch, or like if it's just after lunch, like either one of those.
I feel like just after lunch would be good.
That's
because
true.
There's breakfast
That's when I'm hungry.
Until like second
that's
hour.
True. Yeah, and usually I'm most hungry after lunch. Yeah, that's personally for me though, at least. Yeah, and also the ice cream's not bad though.
No, I've never had the ice cream.
You've never had the
ice
cream? No, it's not bad. It tastes. I guess it's from the boxes, so it doesn't. It's not like tainted with any school curse magic thing. Yeah. But I like the ice cream that they have there. But the 50-cent goldfish, no. The whole grain goldfish, no. That is never, no. That's never good.
Isn't the cookies 25 cents?
Yeah, cookies are 25 cents. The whole grain, like crackers and stuff like that, are 50 cents. And then they actually have like an oatmeal cookie there for 50 cents, and that's good. I used to get that actually. That was pretty good. If the cookies looked a little too baked for me or too raw, I'd get like the cookie thing, even though it's like 50 cents or 25 cents more. But that's what
I feel like you should just like spend your money on like the good cookie instead of like whole grain goldfish or whatever. Like,
honestly, and then like sometimes you can buy like leftovers from lunch, but I mean like no one ever gets that unless they're really, there's some kids at my table who would get it actually, but I mean like I would never. No.
Yeah, I don't think I would either.
No. Who's better? I think mine's better. I mean,
well, I think mine is better.
I think mine's better. Yours is pretty good, but except for the noodle thing and the lasagna.
Okay, the noodle thing is good.
No.
I just don't know what it is. That's the only problem with it.
I personally think mine's better. I can't.
Okay. Well, you have two strong. The breakfast ones.
The breakfast ones.
Okay, I'm gonna have to agree with that.
Okay.
Just because.
Okay,
of
just
because
of the breakfast ones. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can see your chicken wrap thing, but the noodle thing. I just want to know what the noodle thing
I'll
is.
find out what the noodle thing is, and
It's like with the S, like stromami,
No,
strudelini,
I don't think it is.
strudel,
no, not strudel.
strudel.
Not quite, almost.
Not quite there.
Yeah, almost there. But yeah, I'll probably agree with your list.
No, I had that at camp. I think I know what you're talking about. And I think I had that at camp, and it was really disgusting. No, I had something at camp that was really disgusting because it was like coated in cheese. No, it was this meat thing wrapped up in this pastry thing, but it had like different types of cheeses. And like the meat was like old, and so they baked it, but it was like half raw, and the cheese, they overloaded it with cheese on top, so it was like a cheese dip, the whole thing. The grossest thing I ever tasted, and it was so bad. I'm not kidding you, it was so bad.
Cute.
I wanted to cry. That
actually sounds really awful.
It was really disgusting. Yeah. It was like one of the last nights where you're like really craving like a Pop-Tart or something at that point, or like just something, or like an Oreo.
Anything.
And they give you this, I don't know what it was called, but I swear it's like a strudelami or something.
Oh, yeah, I think that's what it is too.
It's offering strudel.
Yeah.
What even is a strudel? Is that like
I don't know what a strudel is.
Wait, a strudel, isn't that like the pastry thing filled with fruit?
I think it is.
Yeah, because they had Frutels the other day.
Yes,
they had the
those
Frutels.
were good.
So like a meat strudel. It was like a meat strudel with cheese.
Oh.
Yeah. It was disgusting.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't ever want to see that ever again. No. I will. That is something created by Satan himself.
Yeah.
Yep.
I was thinking that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.